How to transfer Instagram account from one phone to another. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the Instagram application on your device. Transferring your account is important if you get a new phone or want to use Instagram on another device. Fortunately, transferring your Instagram account is a simple process that can be done in just a few steps. First, make sure both of your phones are connected to the internet and have downloaded the Instagram app. Next, open the Instagram application on the device that you are currently using and then go straight to your profile. Here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you are on this page, scroll down to the very bottom and then tap on the Logout option. Before logging out of your account on the current device, make sure you know the login details of your account. Now tap on Logout one more time to confirm it. Once you have logged out of your Instagram account on your old phone, get the new phone that you want to transfer your Instagram account to, and then open the Instagram application on the other device. Here you will have to either enter the username, email address, or phone number associated with your Instagram account along with the password, and then tap on the login button. It will take a couple of seconds to log into your Instagram account, and with this, you will be able to transfer Instagram account from one phone to another phone successfully. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.